Hi, welcome to my today's video. Today I'm sharing with you one of my serum, which is Paula's Choice Clinical Discoloration Repair Face Serum with tranexamic acid facial serum for stubborn dark spots, post acne marks and sun damage. This also you can use daily twice, and it's fragrance free. So this Paula's Choice Clinically Discoloration Repair Serum, this is also a brightening facial serum that can reduce a variety of discolorations, including brown spots, gray spots and dark spots. So this is clinical and discoloration correcting serum with tranexamic acid, bacterial and niacinamides, visibly fades dark spots. Also it targets hyperpigmentation and even skin. The key ingredients that make the difference is evening primrose oil and borage seed oil. This is rich in the omega-6 and fatty acids. It's good for skin health. These provide rich, long-lasting hydration. Hyaluronic acid protects skin barrier with plumping moisture. So if you like the product or you like the video, then please give a thumbs up, and thank you so much for watching.